This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix can't invite friends on Mobile Legends Bang Bang app. So if you want to send invitation to a user or friend but you are facing issues to send invite, follow these simple solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is check your internet. Open a browser and open a random website. If you see the website not opening, it means your internet connection is poor. In this case, open your control center, turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, and then turn it back off. And you can change your internet between Wi-Fi to cellular or cellular to Wi-Fi. And make sure to use a high internet connection and then check the issue. The second solution is offload the Mobile Legends app. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on General, iPhone storage, tap on Mobile Legends, tap on Offload app. Once the app offloaded, you will see here reinstall option. So reinstall the app from here and check the issue. The next solution is launch your Mobile Legends game. Tap on the settings icon. Select network. Tap on network test. Tap on cache clearing. Tap on clean to clear your Mobile Legends cache. Then relaunch the Mobile Legends app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.